me back again.
Hey, back in Texas.
Falling, oh, I'm falling. Just keep
That's the restaurant I want to go to. They have a kiosk here.
Warming here, 30 degrees. Be nice.
You know, else
He's at 260. Well, guys, between rides this week, that's the ride. 260, I'm telling you. So, this is the ride for this week. We are in between rides today. Oh, he matched my shirt and my shoes. My God. Here we are, backing up to starting this thing. It's so small, my goodness. It's tight. It's unbelievable tight.
the people in the back seat have more space.
Yeah. It's luxurious, but tight. For the phone, it doesn't fit the phone. Fucking iPhone for that.
Myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11.
So she found us a barbecue place. It smells super good. I hope it's good too. Let's see. My God, it's delicious. Oh, sorry, destroy your picture. And we hit the road again, direction to San Antonio. Those roads in Texas are amazing, weather was perfect, and the car, believe it or not, it's impressive. 0 to 60 goes quickly. After that, so-so, but it's a nice car. In this section of the road I put on the adaptive cruise control again to see if it was able to do those corners. And believe it or not, the car did all the corners.
Bye.